OE error. OE error. Water is not draining from the appliance. Turn on the appliance. The OE error can occur because filters are clogged. This error will display when water is not draining from the appliance. This error will display when water is not draining from the appliance. Check the filter. Filters are clogged. Clean the filters. Drainage may have a problem due to food drizzle stuck in the filters. Check the drain hose. Check for clogged, kinked, or frozen drain hose. Adjust the drain hose. Make sure that the line is not kinked. To avoid the kinked or punctured drain hose, be sure to pull on the drain hose while sliding the dishwashers into the room. Do not allow any slack behind the dishwasher. Check the spigot. Check the waste spigot. Remove the knockout plug with a hammer and screwdriver. Make sure that plastic debris is not in the spigot.